Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how to pay off a mortgage faster. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Given the amount you will still owe on your mortgage in the next 30 years, it may seem like you will never get that paid off, but there are some strategies that can reduce the time it takes to pay off your mortgage without breaking the bank. Today in this video, I'm going to explain various strategies you can use to reduce the time it will take to pay off your mortgage. The first strategy is make bi-weekly payments. If you want to pay off your mortgage sooner, then the half monthly payment is a good option. This reduces your payment by half, but you will need to make 13 payments every year. This could give you a shorter repayment period on a certain mortgage, depending on your interest rate. On a 15-year mortgage, bi-weekly payments may reduce the length of your repayment time by 1 to 3 years, depending on the loan amount and interest rate. The second way or strategy you can use to pay off your mortgage faster is budget for an extra payment each year. If you would prefer to have a single annual payment rather than bi-weekly payments, then this extra strategy is worth looking into. You can save just as much by making an extra payment once a year as you would with bi-weekly payments for the same length of time. A tax refund or bonus may give you enough funding to put towards this method. A simple way to save your money is to put the total amount towards your loan principal, and that can reduce how much repayment time you have by around 5 years. Just make sure that you pay more than the minimum amount. The third strategy you can use to pay off a mortgage faster is to send extra money for the principal each month. Consider sending an additional amount each month towards your mortgage if you cannot afford to make a lump sum payment annually. Paying extra on your mortgage early is most beneficial for people who lack the discipline to save. To make your records easier to manage, it is possible to round up your regular payment to the nearest $100 or add an extra $100 when making a payment. Some lenders allow this, so please contact them for more information on how they process these types of payments. You can make your monthly payments more or less than the standard rate to reduce the time you will need to hold on to your loan and pay them with ease. The total savings will vary with how much extra you put in compared with doing exactly what is asked of you monthly. Another strategy you can use to pay off your mortgage faster is to recast your mortgage. Consider refinancing your mortgage when you get a windfall. Some services will take care of the paperwork for you. With recasting, the mortgage term stays the same, but payments are lower due to an extended amortization schedule. To pay off your mortgage quickly, make your regular payment amount and apply any extra monthly payments to paying down the principal balance. There are some loans that cannot be recast. Those include FHA and VA loans, as well as jumbo loans. In order to recast a loan, there are different conditions to meet with different lenders. There may also be a fee when doing so. Another strategy to use to help you pay off a mortgage faster is to refinance your mortgage. Refinancing your mortgage can be a great way to pay it off more quickly. Lowering the rate and shortening the term of the loan can both help you save a lot of money. For instance, rather than refinancing for a 30-year mortgage, the new loan could be for a 15-year term. While payments are higher on a 15-year mortgage, the consumers would end up paying less in interest throughout the life of their mortgage. It is common misconception that the payments on a 15-year loan will be twice as high as on a 30-year loan. In reality, your monthly payments may not differ much from what they would be if you borrowed for a longer period of time. Another strategy to use to help pay off a mortgage faster is to select a flexible term mortgage. While the 15 and 30-year mortgages are always popular, there are other considerations to take into account. For instance, if you feel confident about the income flow situation for your business, you could consider taking out a shorter amortization term for a lower monthly payments. When deciding to refinance, look for a lender that offers flexible term mortgages as they can save you money in the long run. If you are not sure which term to choose, an independent mortgage broker can help decide on a term. The next thing you could consider to help you pay off a mortgage faster is to consider using an adjustable rate mortgage. Adjustable rate mortgages were a major contributor to foreclosures when the housing market was in decline. They also had an interest rate that increased after a period, but this started out very low. When interest rates increased, homeowners who could initially afford their mortgage payments found they could no longer do so. However, not many people were affected by that, implying that for the future, it's worth keeping interest rate increased in mind. You may be reluctant to borrow using an adjustable rate mortgage because of their history, but for safe families who are in between homes or for those who do not mind moving soon, they can still be a good idea. An adjustable rate mortgage allows you to build equity quickly. This means that the low interest will free up money, which you can put towards the principal. The main benefit of this is that those looking to buy their own house can save a lot of money as they only need to focus on making their payments. With a constant interest rate, your monthly repayments will increase as time. Adjustable rate mortgages can be a difficult beast to master. Make sure you know what the micro level changes in interest rates and monthly payments might look like before you go ahead and buy one. Be careful not to do anything that will end up costing too much for your budget in the long run. So that's the strategies you can use to help you pay off a mortgage faster. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.